Not being able to experience friendship, to talk about problems, or feeling safe in someone's arms can paralyze your whole existence. But feeling alone starts deep within yourself. You may have been hurt or betrayed, but reliving past memories will let them reoccur in the future. You have to open your eyes and become better than you're thinking. You have to realize that you will never be truly alone in this vast world. Feeling alone most of the time just replaces the fear of getting hurt. But fear is not evil. It shows you where your weakness is so you can act accordingly. So act. If you're feeling lonely, remember that you always had someone. It may not have been the person you wished for, but someone was always there for you. Otherwise you couldn't read, eat, walk or talk. A child cannot learn these things without any human being around it. So raise up of your self-pityness and just risk something again. Look forward to the memories you will create and the new friendships entering your life as soon as you raise your thinking. Having fun, feeling love and sharing memories, creating bonds and experience trust requires you to be open for it and let it happen. Start to smile on strangers, invest time in someone else and start creating new friendships. Be honest and gentle and set trust in other people. Start living a life full of joy and positive energy and it will shift completely. Give your best version to others and they will give it back to you. Because you can only receive what you are giving.